Ever felt like you're on a treadmill, running tirelessly towards your weight loss goal but never reaching it? You're not alone. Many of us have faced the same struggle, with our efforts seemingly leading nowhere. It's like battling an invisible enemy, where the battlefield is our own bodies. The culprits? Well, they could be anything, from our genes, to our eating habits, to the stress of everyday life. But here's the good news. There's a way out of this weight loss maze, and it's called the ketogenic diet, an effective weight loss strategy that has helped countless individuals reclaim control over their bodies. It's not just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that can bring about profound transformations. So if you're ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier you, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. Now let's delve into the 4 proven methods to achieve rapid weight loss on the ketogenic diet. First on our list is a simple step: increasing your protein intake. Now you might be wondering, why protein? Well, proteins play a crucial role in weight loss. They help your body release excess water weight, a common hurdle for many on their weight loss journey. But that's not all. Proteins also promote fat loss by boosting your metabolism and making you feel full, which in turn reduces your overall calorie intake. So how can you get more protein while following the ketogenic diet? Some excellent examples of keto-friendly protein-rich foods are lean meats like chicken and turkey, fish such as salmon and tuna, eggs, and even certain dairy products like cottage cheese. Plant-based options include tofu, tempeh, and nuts and seeds. Incorporating these into your meals can significantly increase your protein intake, helping you shed those extra pounds. Remember, proteins are your friends on this weight loss journey. Next up, we have a principle that's often overlooked: hydration. Ensuring you're well hydrated is an essential part of any weight loss journey, not to mention a healthy lifestyle in general. When you're on a ketogenic diet, water is your best friend. It helps to flush out toxins from your body, aids in digestion, and keeps your metabolism ticking over nicely. Now let's talk about water-rich foods. These are foods that have a high water content, and they're often packed with essential vitamins and minerals too. Think cucumbers, zucchini, watermelon, and berries. Including these in your diet helps to hydrate your body from the inside out. They not only fill you up, but they also keep your calorie intake in check, aiding in weight loss. Remember, hydration isn't just about drinking water. It's about consuming foods that help maintain your body's water balance too. So keep that water bottle nearby and fill your plate with water-rich foods. Moving on to our third method: regular and consistent exercise. Engaging in a workout routine is essential for anyone looking to shed pounds quickly. Incorporating cardiovascular exercises into your regimen, like running or dancing, is a fantastic way to burn calories and improve heart health. But don't overlook the importance of weightlifting either. While it might seem counterintuitive, lifting weights can actually help you lose weight faster. This is because muscle is more metabolically active than fat, meaning the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even when you're not exercising. Exercising regularly not only helps you lose weight, but also boosts your metabolism. An active metabolism ensures efficient calorie burning, so those pesky pounds start to melt away. It's important to remember that consistency is key. You can't expect to see results from a single workout session. But with regular and consistent exercise, you'll soon start to see a difference. Don't forget, a little sweat a day keeps the pounds away. Finally, we have an essential tip: cut processed foods and eat more vegetables. Imagine your body as a high-performance machine. To run efficiently, it needs the right fuel. Processed foods with their high sugar and sodium content are like low-grade fuel. They may give you a quick energy boost, but over time they can lead to weight gain, sluggishness, and a host of health problems. Now think of vegetables as premium fuel. They are packed with essential nutrients and fiber that your body needs to function at its best. They also keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing overeating. Plus, they are low in calories, making them a perfect choice for those on a ketogenic diet. By replacing processed foods with vegetables, you're not only choosing a healthier diet, but you're also making a decision that supports your weight loss goals. With these 4 tips, you're well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.